Listen, if you're the type of student that read like crazy, sacrifice sleep, put in so much effort, and still end up with useless JAMB score, then sit tight because your problem is not intelligence. It is not your effort. The real problem is inside your head. And today, in this video, I'm going to tear it out. You have failed before. You have been embarrassed before. You have watched people who don't even read half as much as you score higher. And maybe you have started believing nonsense like maybe I'm not smart, maybe JAMB is not for me. Trash. All those things are trash. Today, I'm going to break those limiting beliefs and show you how to reprogram your mind so that you can finally hit that JAMB score you ever wanted. Not next year, not someday, is now. Before we get into it, add this message to reach out to people or students like you. Just do a quick like, subscribe, and share. It will go a long way to make this video go viral on YouTube and TikTok. The first thing we want to focus on is destroying your fear. Fear is the reason the type of students who are working hard fail JAMB every single year. Now, let me tell you something. Imagine two fighters stepping into the ring. One physically strong but shaking. He already believes his opponents will beat him. The other guy maybe is not strong but is confident. He have already decided that he's winning. Now let me ask you, who going to win that fight? Of course, it is the confidence guy. Here's one truth. If your mind accepts belief, your body follows. Now, here is what I really want you to understand. Please write it down. Fear exaggerates failure. Confidence exaggerates success. So now let me ask you, what is the worst thing that can ever happen if you fail JAMB? Nobody is dying. Your ass is not collapsing. Your future is not destroyed. It's just you to try next year, but smarter. See, people fail and still become successful in life. Failing does not kill you. Fear does. So remove that fear. Tell yourself, I have failed before and I survived. So what exactly am I afraid of? Once fear dies, confidence lives. Let's move to part 2 of this video. Part 2, reprogram your mind. Now that fear is gone, let's face the real issue, which is called your inner programming. You can't enter the exam hall with defeated mindset and expect a champion score. That is delusional. Here are the simple steps to reprogram your mind. Step 1. See yourself as a successful student. Your mind will always move in the direction of your self-image. If you see yourself as dull student, your result will match it. If you see yourself as a brilliant student, your result will match that too. You don't become successful first, you see it and you become it. Now, start telling yourself these things. Make sure you write this thing down. I am a high scorer. I understand what I read easily. I will blast this exam. Do this constantly and see your confidence increase. Step 2, meditate, and this is very, very powerful. Most students ignore this because they don't understand it. Meditation is not something mystical rubbish. It is mental reshaping. It helps your mind stay calm, focus, and align with your goals. Life is not always about grinding like engine. Sometimes you need to tap into power deeper than constant hard work. Meditate once or twice a week. Here are the things you're going to do. Number 1, sit quietly. Number 2, clear your head. Number 3, focus on your goal. Then number 4, connect your mind with the result you desire or your goals. If you want me to make a full video on how to teach you how to meditate for academic success, just leave it at the comment section. Step 3, write and affirm your goals daily. Here's what you want to do. Every single morning and every single night before you go to bed, write your goals down. Not in your mind, but on paper. Write things like, number 1, I score 300 in JAMB. I understand every topic I study. My mind is sharp and focused. Then affirm it out loud. You are reshaping your mind. You are reprogramming your brain. You are reshaping your identity. You are aligning your action with your destiny. And trust me, students who do this constantly outperform students who just read without doing all these things. If you do these things, number 1, kill your fear. Number 2, reprogram your mind. Number 3, affirm your goals. Reading will start producing results, not by luck, but by design. Drop I will succeed in the comments if you are ready to dominate JAMB this year. And if you want the meditation tutorial, say teach me. See you in my next video.